Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel, Convinzo's in Brooklyn and Sarasota and Orlando. And today we're at Hollywood Studios and we're at Mickey's Runaway Railway. Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway, right? So a lot of times when you're on vacation, you really don't have a chance to really stop and smell the roses. And I wanted to show everybody all of the, in the concrete, they have all like the handprints right outside the theater here. So stay tuned, you're gonna see all of the handprints. And next time, you come, you might want to see favorite ones, but stay tuned, I hope you enjoy it. So I'm starting like right to left, a little backwards. You got Suzanne Summers, right? Three's Company. Some of these you really can't read. You might be able to see it better at home, so you can help me out. Look at this, we got Billy Joel in here. That's kind of interesting. And Christy Brinkley. So this concrete is gonna last much longer than their marriage did. Kind of funny, right? Let's see who we have here. I don't know who that is. You got the handprints in there. I was going to guess LeVar Burton, but I don't know. Jamie Farr from MASH. Look at that. That's a good one. Wow, look at that. Michael Landon. Highway to Heaven. Poor guy passed away of cancer. He was a great actor. Little House on the Prairie. Highway to Heaven, Bonanza. Hey, look, there's Ernie Hudson. Ghostbusters. Who are you going to call? And what do we have here? Let's see. Cindy Williams. She's from Laverne and Shirley. Let's see. I don't know who that is. Clarice. Eddie Albert. Okay, that's an old-time actor. I think it's Eddie Albert. Wow, look at this. Mark Hamill. The force is really strong for this one. Amazing. Rick Moranis. There you go. Honey, I Shrunk the Kids. He's going to come out with a new movie soon. Back to Strange Brew again. Estelle Getty. Popular People. Betty White, wow. She lived a long, long, good life, Betty White. Sissy Spacek, look at that. And her kids. Coal miner's daughter. Dick Clark, look at that, wow. How many rockin' New Year's Eves did people watch with Dick Clark? AB, that stands for American Bandstand. There's Kerry over there. The ride actually malfunctioned, so I figured I'd get a chance to kind of do some of these. Michael Jackson, look at this. Talk about iconic, huh? Everyone knows I'm a big Michael fan. Michael, wow, 113.90. That was back to the Bubbles the Chimp days. Audrey Hepburn, my mom loved Audrey Hepburn. Bobcat Goldthwait, crazy guy, lit the chairs on fire, right? I don't know who that is. Liza Minnelli. She was a friend of Michael Jackson's. Maureen O'Sullivan.
Who put their hand?
Sounds familiar. There's lots more room for concrete in here, so you all want to get famous out there, you can get your hands in here. John Forsythe, the guy from Charlie's Angels. He played Charlie. Leonard Nimoy. Wow, one of my all-time favorites. Live long and prosper. Mr. Spock. Kathy Lee Gifford and Regis Philbin. So, I'm not working for Disney anymore, but I'll tell you, working for Disney, he was one of the most difficult people to work with. I think the only one that was harder to work with was Miley Cyrus. David Copperfield, that one didn't disappear too easy. Michael J. Fox. Charlton Heston. Love Charlton Heston. Planet of the Apes, love that franchise. Somebody from Brooklyn, Neil Diamond, check that out. Neil Diamond. We got a whole bunch down here. There's a lot to see really here. I think I should probably start from the beginning. Let's see. Warren Beatty, there you go, longtime actor. Married to Annette Bening for a longer time. Jerry Lewis.
All right, guys.
Charlie Carimo. Wow, Kermit the Frog. One of our all-time favorites. He's the most famous, one of the most famous left-handed musicians in the world. A lot of people don't realize that Kermit is left-handed. Just watch Rainbow Connection and you'll see.
Go to Toy Story Mania.
George Burns. Wow, look at that. So many favorite things of George Burns. Oh God. You know, the first time I ever went to Disney in 1977, they were showing Oh God on the airplane movie, which they don't do much anymore, right? Jack Palance, there you go. Very famous actor. Dustin Hoffman. Wow, we got the boss himself. Gosh, this is swell. Mickey Mouse right up front. Look at that, the man himself. Macaulay Culkin. Wow, there's a lot of Michael Jackson correlations in here. Good friend of Michael's. Donald O'Connor. Who's over here? Jack Russell. James Powell from Cheers. Yeah. Everyone's kind of asking over here when the ride's going to go back on. So we just took this opportunity to look at all of the pieces of concrete here. Sylvester Stallone, look at that. He's not too big of a guy, but it looks like he's got big hands there. Rocky Balboa. Anne Margaret, wow, one of my favorite all-time actresses. I had a big crush on her when I was a kid. I saw that movie Magic. I was smitten right away. Elliot Gould, the original Hawkeye from MASH. Look at that. Robbie Benson, the voice of the Beast. Very nice. Susan Sarandon, very popular, Ghostbusters, right? Wow, Angela Lansbury, Murder, She Wrote. And of course, Mrs. Potts. Really, really cool. Purdy, 101 Dalmatians. Look at this, you got C-3PO and R2-D2 in here. Oh, one of my favorite characters of all time, Roger Rabbit, saying please. Look at that. One of the best movies ever. Very iconic movie, you know, when they got together with Warner Brothers, there was a big argument as to which one was going to have more screen time. Roger Rabbit or Mickey Mouse, right? And of course, Mickey won out on that one. I'm sorry, it was Mickey and Bugs Bunny that was in Roger Rabbit. Who do we have here? Jackie Coogan, he was an old-time actor. Carol Channing, I remember her always dressing up. Wow, Pat Boone. Some oldies but goodies in here. His daughter sang as well as him. Alan Alda, there you go, from MASH. Good old Hawkeye Pierce. Who do we have over here? They got plenty of room here. You can see how big this thing really is. Patrick Wayne. I don't remember him. Kay Jackson is another one from Charlie's Angels. Look at that. Who do we have over here? The guy from The Rocketeer. I actually met him, believe it or not. I worked with him for a while. I had this like side job in Orlando when I first moved down here, selling wine. Like, what do I know about wine? It was this crazy commission job before I started working at Disney. And when I got the Disney job, I was like, later for that. June Allison. But anyway, he was working for that company. Samuel Jackson, there you go. One of the best Jedi ever. George Kennedy, famous for the Naked Gun. Harry Anderson, look at that one. Oh, we got a good one over here, the Rose, Bette Midler. Look at that. Lily Tomlin, very famous. Carol Burnett, look at that. One of the best shows ever on TV. What do we have here? Goofy. He says he's stuck. Ray Liotta, he passed away. Wow. One of my favorite actors from Goodfellas and also from Field of Dreams. Incredible. Really nice. Tony Curtis, very popular actor. Gina Davis, A League of Their Own. Van Johnson, another famous actor. A lot of these are older actors. I knew these from watching movies with my mom and dad. Let's see if I got them all. Yeah. I think we got them all. So I hope you enjoyed that video. Something really different. And I'll see you in the next one. Let me know what you thought of this one. Love you guys. Please subscribe. Guys and girls, please subscribe out there. And look at that. Nice sign. Amazing. See you in the next video. Take care. Bye. Oh my God, I almost forgot the most important one. George Lucas. I forgot to see George Lucas in here. There he goes. Look at that. Oh wait, one more I forgot. Hulk Hogan. Look at that. Oh, so hold on again. I found a couple more here. Minnie Mouse. So Minnie Mouse, a little trivia for Minnie. Her real name is Minerva. Minnie is a nickname. And we have a cool one over here, Pee Wee Herman. Pee Wee Herman was actually born in New York, and he moved to my hometown currently, Sarasota. And everyone I talk to about Pee Wee Herman says he was an amazing person, super, super nice, and nobody could say anything bad about him. He was an excellent person, everyone says. Robin Williams, I forgot that one. Mork and Mindy, look at that. We have some other ones over here. Michael J. Fox, Burt Reynolds. I showed you that one. And I think that's it. I think we got them all. There's plenty of room here, as I say, so plenty of room for more.